This Mississippi school was forced to fire teachers after both public and private schools lost over $137 million in pandemic-era grant money. President Donald Trump's administration has made deep cuts to government programs, including those that go directly to schools and state education systems. The problem is, many schools were already using these funds to pay for a range of priorities that might now be put in jeopardy. This money was intended to help schools across the country recover from the disruption brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic. It was funding math and reading programs, mental health services, renovations to outdated facilities, and technology for schools in rural areas. Schools and state education leaders thought they had until 2026 to use these funds, but their deadline was abruptly cut short in late March. Leaders at St. Richard Catholic School here in Jackson say the school has lost approximately $1.5 million in federal funds, money that pays for the salaries of grant-funded teachers, coaches, and nurses. These school staffers were set to be fired as a result of the federal cuts. Mississippi Superintendent of Education Lance Evans sent a letter to U.S. Secretary of Education Linda McMahon urging her to reinstate access to the funds, warning the cuts would cause severe hardship for Mississippi schools and the state's most vulnerable students. McMahon has indicated that the Federal Education Department might consider keeping this money available on a project-by-project basis. But she has said that extending deadlines for COVID-related grants years after the pandemic is, quote, not consistent with the Trump administration's push to cut spending. Do you know of a school or educator that has been impacted by these funding cuts? Let us know in the comments below or visit MississippiToday.org for more coverage.